Hi everyone, I'm Anthony Contrino and welcome back to another episode of Chef Meets Farm. Once again, I'm here with my friend Nate Chinden from Dutch Hollow Farms, and we have another fun recipe for you today. We are gonna make a campfire cocktail. So, based on the ingredients here, do you have any idea of where we're going?
I'm thinking we're going s'mores.
He's a genius. First thing we're going to do is we're actually gonna make some milk ice cubes. And do you want to throw this in the freezer for me?
Sure.
Because if you spill it, I get to laugh.
I was gonna balance them out.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. You're a little unbalanced.
True. 12 minutes later. We are going to rim our stemless wine glasses, dip it into some chocolate sauce, yes. Then some just graham crumbs, you can crush your own. I have these fancy cocktail picks, and I'm gonna thread a couple of marshmallows on top. Feel like this is like not a s'more yet.
We need a campfire.
Without burning yourself. For me, the trick to really good marshmallows is low and slow. We're gonna play my favorite game called Good Enough.
I'm gonna do a game called I'm gonna get the handle a little farther away from the fire for you.
Boring. So these can go in the fridge to kind of set. So if you want to throw that in the fridge, I'm gonna get our cocktail ingredients and we're gonna shake up some campfire cocktails. We have our milk ice cubes, our rimmed glasses, and now we just need to make some cocktails. So let's get our glasses ready. Now we're going to make the actual cocktail portion. It's a half a cup of milk, and then some marshmallow vodka, a couple ounces of that, then 1.5 ounces of some coffee liqueur. The last secret ingredient is just some hot cocoa mix. And then shall we do
our best Tom Cruise?
Yeah, I'll forget it. Every time I see like a cocktail shaker, they're always like, you can just strain it right through the top into our glasses. Ooh, look at the color of that. So, whoop.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To farmers, to cows, to family. It's good. Has like this like milkshake vibe. Does it feel like summer?
Feels like a campfire, sure.
You know what I want. You're good.
You know what would be really good with this? Some emergency snacking cheese.
Oh my. Cheese and chocolate?
It works.
It's a thing. I'm not gonna yuck your yum. Tune in next week when we are making a tasty main dish. And you can get this recipe and all the recipes for Chef Meets Farm at chefmeetsfarm.com. See you next week.